Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, learners, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all your presence. You are providing your precious time and valuable moments of your life. It is really very important for all of us to listen, to watch, to meet and to guide about our health issues. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment, the earnest wealth and faithfulness. The best relationship. When an individual is able to realize his or her potentials, one can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and easily able to make contribution to the community. Mentally, well-being helps to maintain home homeostasis, avoids negative thinking, recovers from insult, improves memory and positive thoughts, prefers personal ability to handle pressure and urgency, acquire skill and innovation, improve upon economic conditions, characterized behaviors, advancement in satisfaction, promote good inherited traits from parents, always feel happy and cheerful, enjoy the righteous lifestyle and social status. Happiness is the greatest medicine to keep us healthy for a long time. Happiness at home and workplace contributes longer lifespan. Healthy intellectual status motivates the person to sing upon the glory of life and works hard to realize dreams. It is better to work collectively for the welfare of society. The situation of I is illness in isolation, whereas the important letter of wellness is we. Thus, social health develops positive interaction with others and helps in meeting all types of personal relationship essential for human race. We should follow appropriate emotions in front of others. Teamwork, qualities and even leadership factors. Try to resolve endemic problems like the promotion of sanitation to prevent communicable disease. The spiritual health represents our firm belief or trust in the overall divine and unifying force. The core concept should justify our complete faith. Good health also generates complete harmony of body with mind and spirit. When the person becomes free from weakness and confusion, the gates of soul open. Avoid puzzles and stress because good health is essential for successful life. Good health is a nice situation of happiness. Optimistic attitude, positive objectives, constructive and innovative steps help to seek divine bliss and attain eternity. We should be grateful to our thoughts, actions, and our Creator, the Almighty Lord. Unfortunately, some are not so lucky because they do not fulfill the crazy aspects. Always have faith, live positive, and spend good time on prayers and meditation. Positivity is the virtuous key to anything in life. So take it easy and live life to full devotion. It is health that is real wealth for human race and not the ornaments of gold or silver. The notion wealth is health may become valid during sickness, poverty, evasion, injustice and old age. Wealth is sometimes important for healthy environment. Persons may seek help through health insurance, NGO, social and religious organizations for proper food, meditation, medicines or treatment. 7 best natural doctors in the world are sunlight, rest, exercise, contentment, self-confidence, proper diet and friends. Maintain them in all stages of life and enjoy healthy life. We should rejoice kind growing longevity which can add years to life so as to ensure that elderly age becomes peaceful, enriching and productive. Fortunately, the process of aging is determined through our righteous behavior, physical exercise, physical activities, sound nutrition, avoiding evil thoughts and wicked actions. So, health is the greatest issue for all the officials, doctors, workers, painters, carpenters and farmers, industrialists, every kind of people. What kind of people we have at our home, what kind of people we have in our country, in our society, all are greatly needed. First, their health. And if you are to speak about your hometown, how do we explain our hometown? It is really important because our environmental and atmospheric condition affects our health. Sometimes we are asked, who is your role model and who is your ideal personality? What do you like? What are your likenesses? What are your favorite things? Because these favoritenesses, likenesses are very important to bring a fruitful results of our life. For winning strategy, we must have the positive outlook, and we should be the answer of the problem, and we should fight with the negative thoughts which run in our mind and pollute the mind internally. So our hometown is really very important. If we have healthy environment of our hometown, then we become a good citizen for our personal life, social, national, and for the humanity. As per the concerning issue